Welcome back to another tutorial from Frank Production. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to check your KCSE results online. First, open your web browser and go to the search bar. You'll want to type in the official address, results.knec.ac.ke. Make sure you type it correctly to ensure you reach the official portal. Hit the search button below. Once the page loads, you'll see the Kenya National Examinations Council portal. There are two main fields you need to fill in: your index number and your registered name. This is where fill one of your registered name. Check this box to accept privacy and access policy. The View Results button displays your KCSE results. Go ahead and enter your full index number in the first box. In the second box, enter one of your names exactly as it was registered. Below that, make sure to read and check the box to agree to the privacy and access notice. I will read through the privacy and access policy. By accessing this service, I confirm that I am the candidate, a parent or guardian, or an authorized school representative. I acknowledge that candidate data is protected under the Data Protection Act, 2019, and that any unauthorized access, sharing, or misuse of personal data is prohibited. I will check this box to accept. Click the View Results button to display results. Once everything is filled in, click the View Results button. Your provisional results will appear in a table below, showing each subject and your corresponding grade. You can now take a screenshot or print this for your records. And that's it. It's a simple and quick way to get your results. Thank you for watching, and keep on learning with Frank Production. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.